Welcome, here I've got VIVO X60 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button. When we pick it we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's focus on the right side button, the settings, so we can open the advanced camera options. And here at the second position we have location option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to also turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, location and the internet, to make it work. Now let me keep turned on all of these settings. Let's move back to the camera to take a picture. To see it we have to tap to the left button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how it looks like. Let's tap on the center so we can get access to gallery options, and now let's tap to this I letter button, the second from the right, so we can check at the third position our location with the full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.